friends, now let us go to Sololon app. So friends, as I said that in this video we are going to learn about frames. It is a new and interesting topic to us, my dear friends. Frames are a way of organizing our website, and they enable the user to divide a web page into number of rectangular segments for different purposes. And frames allow the multiple HTML documents to be presented as independent windows within one browser window. So friends, in this frames, to do frames, no need to use the body tag. Usually, now you will get one doubt. Usually, whatever we are writing, definitely we should write that inside of a body tag. Then only it will be considered as a HTML web page. But why we are not using body tag here? And instead of body tag, why we are using this frame set tag? Why? Because each frame element holds a separate file. It defines what HTML document to put into a frame. So no need to use of body tag here. So means we need to use a frame set tag, not a frame tag. It's a frame set tag. Frame set. So okay, it is a container tag. So this frame set tag defines how to divide the window into frames, my dear friends. It contains one or more frame elements, and the frame set elements use it to a couple of attributes such as rows and columns. This topic we have somewhat related to tables. Means while you are dividing the tables as rows and columns, you have used col span and row span. Here you will use the cols and rows as the attributes, and the values of these rows and cols indicated the amount of screen area each as row will be occupy or column will be occupy. So now I want to make this output as three frames. So like this, I want to make the screen as 3 rows, 1 row and 2 columns. So let us try that, my dear friends. So in this we can use some various attributes also, such as rows means horizontal frame and vertical frame, and src attribute, name attribute, scrolling, and such as margin width, height width, frame border, nor size, etc. Nor size means usually each frame is resizable. You can resize any frame by pointing the mouse pointer at the frame border and drag it according to its requirement. The nor size attribute specifies that a frame element cannot be resized by any user is known about nor size. Okay. So in this frame set tag, I want to make 2 rows. So I should use here rows attribute is equal to and double quotes. So I want to divide it as 2 columns. I mean 2 rows means one row should be 20% and another row should be 80%. So okay, I will keep it as 20%, comma, and 80%. Total each screen will be 100% now. So I am dividing it as 20% and 20%. So now you will not get any difference. After some times you will get. Okay. So here I am using frame tag. It is another frame tag, and so now I am removing this closing tag. After I'll use it. Okay, so now I will write in this one border, that is frame border. Now here we got the screens actually, but we did not keep any value for border. Then how can we get some difference? So you need to use border attribute and I want to keep it as 0. So it will be as 0. So you should use source attribute src. You have used this in different tags, such as in image tag you have used, in a video tag you have used. Yes, so now you are using it in frame tag also. So source means you can keep any website here, website link or image link, video link, whatever. If you want to keep any other web pages link, you can keep. So now I will paste one website link there. See friends, here we got a website. So here I am copying the link of the website, and here I am just pasting the website. So, and I am going to use one more attribute, that as name. This name attribute we have used in the anchor tag also. Did you remember, my dear friends? So now I am using the name as first frame. First, I am just keeping a name casually to it. Okay, and the next attribute I want to keep it as scrolling. This attribute what means, my dear friends, if you want to it is a specific window, you can have scroll bars or not by setting the values as S, no and auto. If the content of the frame does not fit in its current dimensions, both vertically or horizontally, you will have the scroll bars appear. By default, the scroll bars will appear only when they are required, but you can make them to appear or disappear. Use them scrolling the attributes. Okay, my dear friends, so you can keep S. So I want to get the scroll bar, so I am keeping S. Okay, so here you should, I said that I want 2 frames. First frame means 20%, second frame 80%. So that 80% of frame I want to divide it as again 2, means 50% calls and 50% calls. So now I should use a frame set tag again. So no need 2 closing tags, one is enough to it. And I am using calls. So calls wise I want 50% and 50%. No need to keep 2 times also 50%. You can keep the star attribute also, or also you can mention it as like this 50% apostrophes. Okay, it is completed. And again now you should take one frame tag. So in that frame tag I am just writing again a frame border. After completion of whole input, you will get the output very beautifully. Okay, and here I want to keep 1 pixels of border size. Okay, it signifies the border should be visible. It is default value is 1. If you don't want any border, means you can keep it as 0. I want to keep its border, so I just want to keep it as 1. So src attribute. So now here I want to paste an image, means I want to insert an image there. So I am going to Dropbox. Before only I have inserted so many images in my Dropbox. So I will just take this flower. There are so many flowers here. So I will take this kindness. So okay, I'll copy the link. Then the link is ready to be pasted, and here I will paste the link. You should do some modifications such as www and also dl. Okay, so I am doing a scrolling. Okay, my dear friends, so now you should check the spellings also. Scrolling. Here I don't want to get any scrolling in output, so I'm keeping it as no. So again I'm using one more frame tag, and there I want to use one frame border attribute. I just want to keep it as 1, and again src, and here I want to paste one more Wikipedia. I will paste the same one more matter Wikipedia. So I'll just copy its link and I'll paste this here in the place of src. So again I'm using here scrolling. Here I will keep the scrolling value as auto. Auto means if the frame window it is needed means it will get the scroll bar. It is no need of any scroll bar means automatically it will not get any scrolling. So friends, let us see output. See friends, here you got frames. Okay, one frame you got and another frame you got here, and 3 frames totally you got. 20%, this is 80%, and here 150% and 50%. Here this image is not scrolling at all because we kept it as no. Yes, so I will take another image instead of that image. Instead of this image I will take another image, then you can understand. I'll take any flower. Okay, I'll paste here in the place of src. Not only these Wikipedia's links or flower links, you can keep your web pages which you have done. Okay, so see friends, here we got an image. So here I kept a scroll bar to it as scrolling as S. So the web page will be scroll down. How much it is there? Until the end it will scroll. Okay, and here I did not keep any scrolling for the second frame. Here I kept no scrolling. So here it will not get any scrolling. And here the last one I kept it as auto. Auto means automatically it will get. If it is needed scrolling means it will get. If it is not, no need of any scrolling means it will not get. So here it is needed of scrolling. That's why it will be scroll. Okay friends, this is what about doing frames in a HTML web page, and that too we have done this in mobile phones. Okay friends, I hope that you will understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video my dear friends, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. Okay friends, bye friends, see you in later videos.